video, we will demonstrate how to replace the front display board. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head cover. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the power head cover. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wire harness connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connector away from the display board. This is the back side of the front display board. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the board. Then lift up and remove the board away from the front cover. Notice the 4 buttons on the display board and ensure that they are aligned with the 4 holes on the front display cover, and then place the board into position. Then thread the 4 screws back into place. Next, connect the wire harness's multi-pin connection to the front display board while keeping in mind that the connection is keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.